from the tree. How much fun it's gonna be together. We're gonna have some fun, and the party is gonna be fun. I've been waiting oh so long. So long, come on. I'm gonna dip with you all night long. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas. 'Cause I got my baby.
Good morning, good day, MG gang gang gang. So today is pretty much a rest day. I've edited a little bit today for this dance video. I hope y'all are anxious to see it. Let me turn this down because I'm watching Star too. So catching up on Star. So yeah, literally nothing going on today. I took my wig off last night because I said I was gonna put an aloe vera plant in my head to condition and more moisturize my hair and my scalp and just detangle my hair and, you know, give it some attention. Since it's been like 2 weeks since I played around and, you know, gave it some attention and tamed it. But I'm having second thoughts. I really don't feel like taming dealing with my hair today. Like, I'm so tired. But so yeah, and I have to pee. I'm sorry, I have to tinkle. I really have to tinkle. So a lot to do around the room. I have some laundry that needs to be folded that hasn't been put up a whole month because I've been super tired and busy with work and stuff. And yeah, everything in that little corner I'm not gonna show y'all. It's a mess. So I need to fold laundry. I really need to tame my crown and finish editing. So yeah, I mean, if y'all want to see that, y'all want to see me just hang out in my room. Why am I doing this on camera? I'm not wearing a bra. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm supposed to go to the movies again. Probably. I don't know. I don't know what's up with these movie dates. Even though I'm obsessed with the movies too, so that's fine by me. I love the movies. I love going to the movies, but I hope I don't look too crusty. I hope I don't look too crusty because I don't woke up and went to sleep and woke up and went to sleep like 3 or 4 times today, and it's only after 4 o'clock, almost 5:30 almost. So yeah, excuse my crustiness if I'm looking crusty, but y'all know the deal. Y'all know what's going on, you know what I'm saying? This ain't nothing new. So boom, take me as I am, or skip, swipe, whatever you're doing your phone, swipe over to the next video. And yeah, so anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Editing, maintain my crown, may go to the movies. Y'all, Queen and Slim, that movie was so good. Like, I want to go back and watch it again, but I hated the ending. Like, the ending, it shocked the mess out of me. It really did. Like, I was shook twice. Like, and I cried a little bit. If y'all seen the movie already, let me know if you cried in the ending. Let me know if you cried at all throughout the video. But it was so many moments that I was just like, oh, you know. But I definitely love that movie. That movie gets 6 stars plus from your girl. So yeah. So yep, that's what we finna do. First, I'm just gonna tinkle and do some laundry. Yep. So boom, let's get to it.
motivation for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need 'em. We was